I saw somebody online asking if you could create a data tag that would find the elevation of your hardscape. It's actually easy enough to do. I just created one. So if you have a look here, you can click here and you can see there's my start elevation and the end elevation. This is a sloping ramp, so you can see it's got the start and the end elevation there, and this is a flat one and it's got the elevation there. And this has got the start and the end elevation here. So if you want to know how this works, it works using a data tag. So let's just go through the settings. Here are my data tag layout. So I got the start, I've got the end, and I've got this dynamic text here. And the dynamics text field looks for a hardscape, looks for the elevation, and it just puts the elevation in. This one looks for the elevation at the end. So when I click here, it's got the elevation at the end, and those two things just give me the information I want from my data tag. Now, if you're a subscriber, I've added this to my library, so you should be able to download my library and get it from my library. Hey, if you want to be a subscriber, check out the link in the description. Join my community to get access to my training movies, to my community, to the help from the others in the community. It is really fantastic. Thanks for watching.